Let me start by asking you this question. Will you rather build your own dream or have someone else hire you to build their dreams for them? Now, do you know there are two kinds of education? Traditional education and entrepreneurship education. People with traditional education always work for people with entrepreneurship education. My name is Dr. Alex Matthew and I'm a licensed financial professional. Now I've been featured in Wall Street Journal. I teach an alternative education, which is entrepreneurship education, showing you how you can work from the comfort of your house and make much more money than you can ever get paid on your job. Let's take a look at this. There are two families in the United States. We call them Family A and Family B. Family A are those with traditional education and they are always working for people in Family B. With entrepreneurship education, 95% of the people are in Family A and only a few wealthy Americans are in Family B. How does this work? There are three ways you can make money in the US economy. The first one is through personal income. And what is personal income? You went to school, you've obtained a degree or certification, then you got a job. So you eventually got a job. And on that job, you are exchanging your time for money. $25, $15, $30, $40, $50 an hour. And when you exchange your time for money, your income is going to be limited. Limited time equals limited money. Let's take a look at it. If you find a job right now that pays you $100 per hour, you want to work around the clock, you want to bust it out. That is good money. But do you know that you can never earn more than $2,400 in a day? Why? Because time is limited. We have only 24 hours in a day. So 100 multiplied by 24 gives you 2,400. There is nothing you can ever do to earn more than 2,400 in one day. Because time is limited, you have to wait till the following day. So how can you be wealthy or rich? Being on a job is impossible. By the way, do you know the full meaning of job? It means journey of the broke. That is the full meaning. A job is not designed for you to be rich or wealthy. It's just for you to be comfortable, pay your bills, clocking in day and day out. The second way you can earn money is through residual income. This means you perform a service one time and you get paid over and over and over again. You do something once and get paid recurring income. How do you achieve this? Entrepreneurship. Are you an author? You can write a book and you get paid royalty over and over. Are you a musician? You wax a record, you get paid royalty as well. Are you an entrepreneur? You perform activities and profit keeps coming in. Now getting recurring payments is a game changer. Most people think this requires a special talent. Well, what if I'm able to waive the requirement of a special talent for you? Which means you do not need a talent and I am able to sit with you and show you an opportunity that will earn you residual income. Don't you think you'll be wealthy? That's what we teach in Alpha Leadership Institute. We teach the alternative education. Instead of you pursuing a traditional education that will land you on a job building someone else's dream. We teach you how you can make use of your God-given talent legally, legitimately to make as much money as you want. By the way, you should be able to pass a criminal background check and you should be ready to study for 1 to 2 weeks and obtain a state government certification. Then you can start earning residual income. The third way you can earn money is through leverage income. Leverage income simply means leveraging on other people's time. You make use of other people's time just like your employers are doing. They are leveraging on your time right now. But the question I have for you is, how much is your time worth? By the way, do you know that your life is measured in time? If you want to spend 100 years on this planet, you start with years. Then years into months, months into days, days into hours, hours into minutes, minutes into seconds. As the clock ticks, you are indirectly spending your life, which is your time. So the question is, how much is your life worth per hour? $15, $20, $30. Think about it carefully. What if you knew how to use your life, your time, to build your own dream and make money for yourself? Enroll in Alpha Leadership Institute. You get trained and you become an entrepreneur. You are not capped. You are not limited. On your job, you are limited. The employer tells you how much they want to pay you. But when you run your own business as an entrepreneur, you determine how much money you want to make, So leverage income is leveraging other people's time. Most people think establishing a business requires large sums of capital. Again, what if we are able to waive the requirement of capital funds? You do not need a large chunk of money to start off as an entrepreneur. We teach you and show you how to start from A to Z. Enroll in Alpha Leadership Institute and you'll be glad you did so. Those are the 3 ways you can make money legally and legitimately. There are 4 steps in earning. The first one again is a job, the journey of the broke. A job is not designed for you to be rich or wealthy. You are only going to be comfortable, pay your bills day in, day out. And by the time you work so hard, you get to age 65, you are retired. On a job, you get retired. When you do your own thing, you work for yourself. You never get retired. You never get fired. It's your own calling. It's your own dream. A platform is a 21st century business concept where already established organizations are looking for brave individuals like you. You are hungry. You want to win in this economy, legally, legitimately. They're going to show you how to pass your criminal background check, study for 1 to 2 weeks, get your state government certification. And then you learn how to run your own business from the comfort of your house. And you make as much money as you want, plus freedom of time. Now you have control of your time. On your job, your employers control your time. You only go on vacation once in a year. You want to take your kids to school, you have to call and seek for permission or call in sick. You want to travel, you have to take permission. But when you run your own business, you control your own time. No one is bossing you around. Plus, you have freedom of location. You travel as much as you want. You can achieve that on a platform, make millions of dollars on the platform, then go buy a franchise or real estate. Make more millions. You can do your own startup business if you have a good business idea. So in Alpha Leadership Institute, we will train you how to operate on a platform, what we call the 21st century business. A cutting-edge business concept with zero or no capital. If you want to know more, you can click on the link below. You can equally join us on Financial Wellness Wednesday. Every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pacific Time, 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time and 8 p.m. Eastern Time. We teach alternative education. We sanitize the public and show you what you can do. There's an American dream. There's opportunity. But guess what? You need the right information to accomplish this. Do not wait, hurry up. Reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you achieve your goal and live your American dream. Thank you for watching. Please do not exit without clicking the like and subscribe to this video so we can send you more free videos when they pop up. See you at the very top.